Oi! Wee! What is up? What is up? Welcome, welcome, children and adults. It's another episode of the Nanonong Gaming Genshin Impact stream. It's Friday, dude. I got off work early, but my fucking internet still sucks, though. Anyway, thank you very much for tuning in. Papi Riv, Mandy May, thank you very much for tuning in and for liking the stream. And Papi Robert, thank you very much for liking the stream as well. Hey, Michelle, thanks for tuning in. Mandy May, good morning. Thank you very much for interacting. Papi Riv says hi. Papi Robert says, hey Papi, why my notifications say you live? Over and over. Yeah, I actually just reset my stream like 6 times? 4 times?
What's up,
My
Dad?
stupid internet provider does not want to give me the pleasure of streaming tonight. So, I have to redo everything over and over and over and over again. Over and over and over and over and over again. Hey Sienna, thank you very much for tuning in. Hello. What is it, my dudes? Thank you very much for tuning in. Tonight we're gonna do Windtrace co-op style with you guys. So if you guys are in the Asia server, hit me up. We gon' play. If not, if we don't get filled, we're gonna do randos, okay?
Boring.
Otherwise, we're just gonna
I am sorry.
We're just gonna do our
Add
daily
Astro-
quests, and I'm gonna get Xiao's what do you call that? Talent books, yeah? Let's go talent books tonight because it's is it a Friday? Yeah, it's a Friday. I believe he has Monday and Friday for talent books. Wait, let me double check. Because I'm not double checking again. Uh-huh. Oh shit, that was yesterday. Wait, didn't I level up some shit?
What's up, Doc?
Oy, Papi M, and thank you very much for liking the stream. Final na to. Yeah, dude, I'm sorry about the repetitive notifications. I'm sorry about that. Converge sucks. My ISP sucks balls. So I had to reset like 6 times, 5 times, I think. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Tonight we're gonna do what the good Lord intended. We're gonna enhance this shit. And I need... It's quite a shame. I don't want to do this, man. But yeah, we're gonna do Windtrace co-op with the Nemfam, and if we don't get filled up, we're just gonna pick some randos. So if you guys wanna join in on the Windtrace hide and seek fun, feel free. Can you help with the new boss? Yeah, sure. No nga pala, Papi. 4 times lang naman dati. 10 times. Yeah, I'm sorry, Papi. Pakpot Birch, bro. For this, I forgot what is needed here. Yeah, I can't remember what was needed in this domain. But yeah. Let's begin. We're gonna use Eula Team tonight for our domains. Happy Robert, once I do my what do you call these?
More speed.
My commissions in the Resin quests, I'll help you out with the new boss. It's all Hydro. Oh, this is all Hydro.
More speed.
Oh shit.
Flood of frost.
And I'm dumb.
Brace yourself. Think you can get away? Wheel of life. Crush. More speed.
Oh, this is so easy. Oh shit. This is not easy.
Illusion shattered. Beg for mercy. Now you shall perish.
This is the domain where they multiply the what do you call this?
Shudder.
The cooldowns for my elemental skills. I forgot.
Shine down.
But yeah, we need to level up our Dragon Spine Spear because why the fuck do we have a level 80 if we want to use his full potential? I mean, we don't have any money though, so if you guys can donate like Blackcliff shit, please do. I'm kidding, nah. Excuse me. Yeah, let's do 4, just in case. Just in case we run out of gold. Golden Boreal Wolffang things. Bloop, 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 run.
Illusion shut. Time for takeoff. Shudder.
Pappy, that's where I go to upgrade my Skyward Blades. Ah, really? That's why you know it, na? If you notice, I never did upgrade my weapons. As long as I have the level 90s na, I just stop. God damn it.
There is no escape. Inazuma shines eternal. Crush. Let's play.
Strike. I hate this domain that doesn't have a one-hit burst kill. Because there's phases for it, bro. That sucks. Oi, Papi Luke, thank you very much for tuning in. We're gonna do co-op streams today for Windtrace since it's gonna end in like 3 days.
What's up, Doc?
Papi Troy and Papi Luke, thank you very much for liking the stream. Appreciate that. Appreciate that, fam. Excuse me.
What's up, Doc?
Mm-hmm. Wait lang 2 more of these, then we're good to go. Papi Troy, what is up?
Think you can get away?
We're gonna do Windtrace co-ops with the NemFam tonight. If you have an account in the HS server, feel free to join us. If not, then feel free to spectate and please, we can't let Papi Eman win. I'm gonna create a scoring system, by the way.
Shine down! Ha! Beg for mercy.
I'm gonna create a scoring system so we know who is the grand wind chaser. Wind tracer, sorry.
More speed.
That's the name. Papi, it was one of the reasons I upgraded because of my Ayla having a recounter against Hydra Abyss Mage and me having a lot of one-stat weapons. Well, that's lucky for you, bro. Oh, sounds fun. Canadian at my free stat fight.
Shut up!
Well, there's no slots. Paunahan
There
lang.
is no escape!
Fastest joiners first. And if you get to join in at the same time, it's gonna be alphabetical, yo. I'm kidding. Yeah, so we're gonna do 4 sets each of wind
Beg for
tracing.
mercy.
So everyone can be the hunter and the hunted. Because it cycles around like that. And since I'm a bit familiar with the maps na, yeah. You guys are gonna get your ass whooped, yo. Bakit di mo na naman ako mahanap? Wawa ka naman. Wow! Trash talks early on. Eman, my boy. Oh shit, I got 2 gold. Yeah, let's leave this. Eman, my boy. Prepare to get your ass kicked. Ass kicking. Alright. Alright, so what was the other one? Oh, we're short on gold though, so I'm gonna do gold bloom. Gold bloom. Oh wait! I'm actually short on materials to upgrade these shits. Who was I supposed to upgrade? Barber? Shut up! I was supposed to upgrade someone I forgot. Shit. How about I upgrade Zhongli? Who else uses H that has, I mean the, what do you call that? Never mind. Let's see if I can upgrade this. Thursday and Sunday. Freedom pala to fucker. Everything good happens on Thursday, damn it. What else can I... Should I? Should I upgrade this? Prosperity. It's Thursday rin fuck. Yanfei. No, I don't like Yanfei, dude. I very much suck at catalysts, baby. I can do Barbara though, because she has a revive. May revive si Ate Barbara. Nah. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna go for gold blooms then, if that's the case. I'm gonna do 2, so maybe you can cross that off our list. Let's go. Oh yeah, and if you like, you can have, I don't know, people join the stream. Just share the stream, please. So you have more wind tracers and more viewers. Who knows? We can maybe, place bets on this shit.
Time for takeoff. Crush. Life goes on. Shut up. Erase all threats. Torn to oblivion. Illusion shattered.
Oi!
Crush.
Well, Papi, it would be like Twitch streams now. Wait, there are bets on Twitch? Seryoso ba yan? Why was I not informed?
What?
Come here, Mr. Fire Breather. Yeah, vaporize ka dyan. Ulul. Gagu.
Wouldn't gliding be faster?
What's up, John?
Hi there, thank you very much for tuning in. If there were bits, we're gonna have bits, but I'm not sure if my point system will will measure up. Sige, sige. Hey, wait. Where's the alchemist? Alright, let's do commissions first before we get sidetracked. Yes, you have your points there and you can put bets on what's going on or what's gonna happen. Ah, wait. No. That's gambling, dude. Gusto ko yung odds na yan eh. Like, who's gonna get caught first, mga ganun-ganun. And pwede tayong maglagay ng mga side bets, mga ganun-ganun. But yeah, I'm not gonna do that though. Because I don't want to encourage gambling. Ah, damn it! I don't want to encourage gambling here.
Wheel of life.
Although it's very much fun. Slamma-jamma!
Shudder.
Okay, I'm out. Oh, wait. Open na ako ng notepad. Wait lang. The reason I open a notepad is so you guys can know how I score this. 1 sec. 1 sec.
More speed.
I forgot that we can actually ambush this balloon. Balloon sabotage.
More speed.
Done. Next one. Okay. If he's gonna make me farm Otogi wood, putang
What's
ina.
up, John?
Putang ina again. Hey, Papi M, thank you very much for liking the stream, bro. How's your wood carving going? Ah, dude, it's Otogi wood again. Nakuweed. Ah, okay. Okay. Last one. Here we go.
What's up, John?
Oy, Papi M, you keep switching accounts. Thank you very much for sharing the stream, bro. Hindi ka ba sasali sa ano? Kaya nagsiswitch ka ng accounts? Scared, boy? Are you scared? You should be.
Beg for mercy.
How do you kill these floaties, dude?
Crush. Shudder.
I don't know if I can join Windtrace. Eh, di note ka na lang,
More
Papi.
speed.
Either or we'll be having more fun, eh? So, you know. More fun.
Beg for mercy.
More, I don't know. More Windtrace galore? Not sure. What the fuck? Get over here!
Yeah.
Sali ako, kabahan ka na. Walang mandaraya.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nani the fuck? Where is it? Napaka-ominous naman itong mga androids na to. Hey!
Crush. Beg for mercy.
Stop hitting my
Shudder.
thing, bro.
More speed. Huh? Crush. Huh? Shudder. Huh?
Okay, commissions and resin are done. Yeah, I'm not gonna do the story quest for now. Maybe next time. I'm a bit lazy. Or maybe we can do it on Saturday. I'm not gonna do retro Saturdays because last week I didn't stream on Saturday, right? Yeah, I forgot. Maybe we can do that on Saturday instead.
Thank you for
Completing the Adventurers Guild. How many? 155. Okay. History. I currently have 6, 36, 78, and 40 pity on this shiny banner.
You want to learn
Oh yeah,
some
I have
Favonia's blade work?
series now in Genshin. Wow,
Alright then, I'll
500,
teach-
bro. Super cool. Super cool indeed. Pappy Robert, can you help me now? Sure. Let me jump into your world. But let me position first in the Windtrace so wala nang commercial mamaya. 1 sec, ah. What boss, by the way? Is this the Wolfie boss?
Let's play. Huh?
Pappy Robert, I am going to jump into your world right now. But first, the new boss. Okay. I'm not sure what the new boss is. What's the new boss, bro? Can you give me some context? Congrats, no, you deserve to send us welcome giveaways. What? Why? Which new boss, Pappy? Ah, this one, the android, bro. Sige, go. Wait. Oh shit, I haven't done this yet, bro. Cool. Wait now. I don't think Venti's gonna be of much use here, so I'm gonna do Chichio. Ah, these. I haven't done these yet. Fuck! Do they have a dual mechanic?
Beg for mercy. Freeze to the core. I condemn you.
We need resonance, dude. Otherwise, I can't kill this guy.
Shut up.
Why are you killing the other one?
Beg
What
for mercy.
wall, bro?
Go. Butter.
Kill the cryo one first.
Crush.
I'm cryo, bro. I can't do damage much.
Beg for mercy. Crush.
Wait, I'm losing energy.
Wheel of life.
Is he dying? Ay naman niya. Shit, I'm losing energy.
Teamwork is dreamwork.
Yun, nag-teamwork is the dream work. Eh, man, may point ka naman so ikaw na pa na. Oh shit, I died!
That's something for ya.
I wasn't paying attention, I'm looking at the chat, I'm sorry.
Beg for mercy.
I should have brought Pyro and Dado.
Shudder.
Actually, just Pyro will kill this eh.
Crush.
Now they're both Spider-Man, dude.
One champion.
Oi, Mandy Me, thank you very much for liking the stream. I'm dying.
Beg for mercy. Crush. Let's light it up. This'll pack a punch.
Wait, I'm scratching my nose 1 sec. Nasa yung electro
Beg for
stuffs. I'm not gonna dodge, Bobby.
Crush.
There we go.
Shudder.
Lakas naman ng Bennett na yan. Nag-flex ang ata si Papi Robert eh.
Beg for mercy.
He can do this on his own, bro. Okay. Is this a weekly boss? Ah, no, it's just a daily boss. Alright. Is that it? How many times? I haven't done this yet, though. But, thank you very much for introducing me to this boss. Appreciate it. Wait. Yon. Oh, you dodged the electro thingy kasi it drains your energy. I'll check later if I can still join with you. I'll do something kasi. Okay. Kundi lang ma-crown ko na base attack na Yula ko. Ah, my Bennett. My Bennett is for support, not DPS. Malakas yung Bennett, or is it just because I'm using Cryo against Cryo? That's why I think I'm a bit weak. I'm not sure. I haven't fought that boss yet, eh. But yeah, you saw my damage, so I'm just not dealing enough. Ano, isa pa? Are we gonna wait for a reset, or are you good, Papi Robert? What can you get from that, by the way?
Crush.
Boss for Yunjin, Shenny, and upcoming characters. Ah, that's it. You should have told me, though, that this was Cryo and Electro. I should have used Pyro. Ano, isa pa ba? One more? I haven't explored this yet. It's for Yaimiko, man. So speaking of which, Yaimiko is gonna be out in 2 banners time. And then the next banner will be Kokomi and Raiden Shogun side by side. So have you heard that news, by the way? That's cool. Yeah, a few more. Is it respawned now? Has it respawned yet? If it's gonna be like that, I'm gonna use D-Look and Chi-Chi then. Three more times. Damn it! How long is the respawn time for this, bro? Domains, enemies, bosses. Oh yeah, I haven't unlocked it yet. Kokomi Raiden, Kazuha Raiden. No. Yaimiko's gonna be single banner. It's gonna be Kokomi Raiden, and then Kazuha and some other shit. That's what I heard. But I might be wrong though.
Guess we can rest a bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna use Sea Lord for this. Is it so scary if we jump off? Nah, it hasn't respawned. 2 minutes, baby. That's the respawn time for these bosses. Is there any place to sit here? No. No place to sit? Okay. I guess we're just gonna wait for the boss. Oh, here's a place to sit. No, it's not a chair. Maybe I think I'll close that. 2 minutes. Yeah, I was counting and we haven't been full 2 minutes, but let me check again. Because when I checked with Enviosity, it's just 2 minutes though.
Okay.
God damn it, Bloom. Sige na nga, alis na ako dito. Alright, we are 30 minutes in on the stream. Thank you very much for tuning in. After we defeat this opponent like 3 more times, we're gonna do co-op with... What is this? Oh. Datang hindi ko pa na-explore. We're gonna do co-ops with our Nympham and yeah, some randos if we don't get it full. We're gonna do Windtrace. And wait, let me just create my scoring system. So, Rebel found by Hunter, 1 point. Hunter win, 1 point. Rebel win, 1 point. Okay, so if you're a rebel, you don't gain points. But yeah, I'll figure this out. So I'm gonna put a scoreboard here. Teka lang ah.
What's up, Doc?
Oi, what's up, Japanese person? Thank you very much for following the stream, damn it! And Steven, thank you very much for clicking notify, bro.
What's up, Doc?
Appreciate that. Ohayo. Let's see if we can fight this boss now.
What's up, Doc?
Thanks for sharing the stream as well. Who is this? Who is this Japanese person, huh? Wait, where the fuck is my notepad, bro? I'm sorry. Okay. I'm gonna share my screen 1 sec. Notepad. The long and winding road. Wait, if you see this, it sucks. Super full screen 1 sec. Text overlay, notepad. Okay, let's put this here. Kaide na lang
Guess
po.
we can rest a bit.
Kaide-san, daijoubu desu. Ohayo. That's all I can say as greetings for Japanese. I'm sorry. So wait, if the rebel gets found by the hunter, it's that automatic win. So 3 points plus 1, 4 points sa kanya. But if the rebels win and you're rebel on that run, you get 1 additional point. Is that Aloy? Yeah, there's an Aloy in our team. I'm helping Papi Robert do co-ops with this boss. Because I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure he can defeat this though. Doi!
Rise.
Okay, you said defeat Pryo first, right?
Stand back! It's on!
Whee! Okay, this is much more easier, bro. Destroy the wall? I'm gonna try destroying the wall. To the window! To the wall! Kanin, is that Aloy? Yes, we're doing Aloy with Bennett and Chi-Chi. And we do Chi-Chi so we won't die Chi. Oh damn, sana all na lang. I haven't done this yet though. Boom! Stop popping up walls! Damn it! Okay, I almost died.
Retribution!
Can I fall down from here?
Nice.
Smack that butt! Smack that butt, Dino. Wait. Burn! Wait, it didn't kill the other one? Wait. Ayun na. Okay, I died. Wala akong alam na Genshin na stuck na daw sa loob. So yun, after mawalan wipe dito. Wait, I can't see. Wait, did I die?
Retribution!
Wait lang I can't see your chats 1 sec. Lakas naman ng Aloy. Kaya mo naman to solo, Papi Robert. Loko mo ako eh. Your Aloy is good enough. Okay. 2 more of this waiting shenanigans. Kaide was saying, wala na akong alam na Genshin, na stuck na ako sa low level, so ayun, wala ng wifi dito. Wait, why didn't you get it fixed though? You should contact your internet provider, Bobby. Or Mamshi, I'm not sure if you're a guy or a girl, I'm sorry. Alright, we wait 2 minutes here and I'm just gonna, chill out with my side piece. With my Aloy side piece. No! Oni-chan! No! Oni-chan! Yamete ka na. Yeah. Shove it in. My foot. Oh, wait. Wait. Ang cute talaga ni Aloy. Yeah, because she's unique in her character design, because she's from out of this world. Tagal This is taking a while. So,
let's get going.
There are
people
though.
who need our help.
Papi, I will show you my Aloy and Bennett stats in Discord so you can see how bad they are. Hilig si Amity
You
ka
should
das
really bring the Knights of Favonius with you next time.
It's only proper, bro. If there's an Oni-chan, the automatic response is Yamete ko to say. Wait. Happy Robert, let me use your 4-gibit 1 second. I'm just gonna use this. Oh wait, you know what? How about we go with Xiao? Xiao and Venti here. Does this double it? Oh yeah, it does double it. Thank you. May refund pa, bro. Alright, where's my Xiao? Weapons, enhance, ascend. Shablami! Alright. Shablami. Sucks though. But 69, nice. Kaide was saying about our Wi-Fi, they already paid at the correct amount. After by oh, after they paid, they just had shitty service, so they just canceled it. Kaya sayang hindi ko na-update dan sa Genshin yung nag-free siya sa PS4. Aw, that's sad. There's just limited PS4 players in Genshin, by the way. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's because of, the support they get. Wait nga lang. Yeah, let's place my notepad here so there's less distractions. Wala din po pala ako sa Pinas. Oh, really? Okay. It's a good thing you can speak Tagalog though. Let's use Xiao Venti or Xiao Sucrose. I'm not sure how to do this Xiao Venti, Xiao Sucrose. Sige, Venti tayo. Oh, I don't have energy! I have a dumb tank, dude!
Think you can get away?
Fucker! Si Medivh in Japan, in the Jap.
Here we
No,
go.
you're just Japanese, you're not Japanese, Papi. Man.
Brace yourself.
I don't think I can kill this, bro. Wait. Kill the wall, bro.
There is no escape.
Claymore skill walls faster.
Shine down.
Time for takeoff.
Xiao is useless without his burst, bro. Burst ka na.
Conquering! Here!
Yeah, boy.
Worthless! Here! Here!
It doesn't hit them both, damn it.
Worthless! Boring!
Wouldn't gliding be faster? Think you can get away? Brace yourself.
Disappear! Here!
Faster?
Worthless! Worthless!
Here we go. Brace yourself. Time for takeoff.
The arena is so big, dude. Fuck. Oh no! Joint attack.
Let's play.
Lament!
Here! Worthless!
Ya crit, bitch! Well, that was simple, but I used up a lot of food because I don't have any decent healers with me. But Chi-Chi survived. Wala din po. Pinay po talaga ako, hey. Oh, sana all po natin it was there. Skill muna then burst para you have energy again because when Xiao is in burst mode, he doesn't generate anything. Yeah, I know, Papi, but the map is so big I can't dash it back and forth. Alright. Let's try something. But that was easier though than Diluc or Eula. Yeah, animo characters are better for that because it just cancels out the ice with the lightning. Given that you get to hit them at the same time though. Ice and lightning. Sige, gamitin natin to. And Bennett tayo. Because both can actually destroy the shields. Oh, I don't have shields. Pala. Both can actually destroy ice and lightning faster. And if it's just Eula or Xiao.
These bombs, so heavy.
These bombs, so heavy. Yeah, let's wait 2 minutes for this. Try child. No, dude, that's a bad idea. Electro conduct? Superconduct? No. What's that called? There's no freeze for bosses kasi that's and I'm just gonna shock them both and shock myself as well. Kamis na maglaro ng Genshin. Pyro family. Yeah, dude. Oh, you're gonna use Hutao? Sige, go. Let's go with that. Tara, Papi Robert, last one. So we can do Windtrace na. Nope, it's still not there. Let's move again. You know what? I'm gonna kill these guys just for fun. Burn! Sabihin ko sana sali ako. Wag na, man. Windtrace ka nang sumali. Last boss na to eh. Alright. Let's see if the boss respond yet. Tagal ah. Pero Robert, you didn't tell me this is gonna take a while. Happy you could explore some of my map. No. I wanna explore this on my own, on stream. No. I'm doing this as a favor lang. I really don't want to explore Enkanami yet. Wala pa. Go back. I really don't want to explore Enkanami yet until I really need to. What works well with...
Adventure time!
How about Zhongli? Zhongli is fun. And when you do co-op, we can co-op with that map. No, hindi, it's fine, Papi.
Wow!
Don't help me explore. You're only encouraging my laziness. If someone is there to pick up the slack for me. Wait. It doesn't vaporize the water. Why not? But it vaporizes targets though. Freeze comp freezes the water kasi. I wonder what's different. Tagal naman itong flower na to, bro. Alright, let's wait ah. Sabi 2 minutes daw eh. Uy. Ah, shit. Who is my best archer? High DPS archer is Rich Child. Let's kill that some bitch. Alright. I'm gonna snipe that guy's eye. Shit. I need to account for the curvature of the earth, bro. Oh no, it's the whirly whirl! What does this mark do, by the way? It's like there's like residual poison damage or something. Halatang hindi binasa yung description ng skills ni Child din. Bong, no whirly whirls again, bro. Tagal? Yan na ba? Your charge attack to Child is high, ha? It's because of Amos, so pull forgot it. Yeah, we're gonna do so, Papi, no worries. But we're gonna do your reco. I'm gonna use Child for this domain. Tignan lang natin if we can kill it with this. Especially in co-op though, everything's boosted like... Here we go. Everything's boosted like 10% for one co-op. God damn it! Yeah, I forgot I'm gonna freeze!
Shouldn't let your guard down.
Family Robert is here! Help me! I'm gonna die! Oh wait, now's a good chance to see if this is considered... Ah, it's considered a sword attack, it's not a flavor attack.
Rain outlines your fate. Time to act.
So Child's bows transforms into swords, not spears, as we all thought it should be.
Teamwork is strength.
Child's passive doesn't apply to mates. Oh, really? Yeah, you know what, Papi Robert, hold on. We can't beat them with water. We're just gonna die. I need to change. What was that again? Look and Beneto. Wait lang, Papi, don't die, ah. No, Roberto-san. すいません。One punch! Wait, did he die? Bennett mode! No, does it stack? Oh no, they left. They left the AoE. Hero.
This?
Wait, what? That just glitched out.
Let's light it up!
See, Claymores do massive damage to rocks, dude. Claymores hate rocks.
Everybody stand... Huh?
Retribution!
Ah, okay, it hit the 2. Wait, are they gonna go in tandem mode again? Burn! Ah no, it really does need to go on tandem mode.
I do they never miss! Everybody stand back!
I'm just gonna heal, then we're good to go. Yeah, na, okay na. You can now give me the honors of kicking me out of your world, Papi. No, psych! I'm gonna go out on my own terms. And yeah, if you guys wanna join in on Windtrace, feel free to do so right now. Let's join na tara. Nadali tayo dun na onte, but yeah. Charles' passive doesn't apply to mates. My world is open. Go to Windtrace. Swarly. Who's loli pangit? Come on, Papi Eman, let's do Windtrace. If not, then stream na ako. It's 58 minutes in on the stream. Tara, laro tayo! Unopened. Yay! Let's go!
I'll protect us.
Wait, let's see if Barbarous effects run out once Papi Robert enters the world. Yeah, it does. Oh, I see. Didn't know that. Any other takers? Anyone want to join Windtrace? I'm just gonna farm some wood, bro. Because how long until this event ends, though? Wait. Windtrace ends in 5 days. At pala ginawa ko na lang sa Monday.
Come on. Enough standing around. Let's keep moving.
Shut up, Aloy. Who is here? Oh, we need one more. Papi, if you could check my Bennett stats and Aloy stats. They're pretty bad. Sige, mamaya, Papi. Hey, Oriana, thank you very much for liking the stream, yo. We need one more player for Windtrace. We're gonna do a scoring system. So, wait. Robert. Man. Nem.
Attaboy!
Ito Havers galore to, ah.
Those memories.
White blind ka lang
So
to.
dark.
Join me!
Let's check Pappy Robert's stuff. Bennett stats. You don't have enough Bennett. You don't have Bennett on your display, bruh. Rust, okay. But it is nice. Attack. 1914. Bennett is in the Discord. Sige, later I'll check that. I can check Discord. Eh.
Numero uno ito here in the flesh.
No other takers. Eh, we need one more for Windtrace hide and seek. Come on, dudes. While we vent out our frustrations on these pine trees. Windtrace, one more. Come on. I don't have enough viewers for this shit, bro. You can add me up 8040805222. That's an Asia server. Otherwise, we're just gonna go. Wait, can we go with 3 players now? What the hell is this guy doing? Oh wait, we can only play with 3? Wait, we can only play with 3? Oy, we can play with 3, yo. Gago, di... Pwede pala one-on-one dito? What the fuck? I didn't know that, bro.
What's up, Doc?
What's up, Conchi? Thank you very much for liking this stream. Damn it. Yeah, we're gonna do a test run for Windtrace. 3-player Windtrace is possible. I wasn't aware of that. But yeah, this is just a test run, Papi, and don't get your hopes up. We just need one more player so it will be a fair fight. Test run lang to, boy. Chill.
I'm sure the Kamisato clan will be fine.
Come on, one of you guys join Windtrace with us. This is not gonna be fun if it's just the 3 of us. I bet Papi Kyle is, Papi Robert is up at 3 or some shit. Sabi na sa taas uno. Sige, tatakbo na ako. Tumatakbo lang siya dun. Why can't I do disguises, dude?
What's up, Doc?
Hey Ashley, thank you very much for liking the stream. If you guys are bored and wanna join us for Windtrace, please join into my world. It's 8040805222. And I'm not sure if this is enjoyable with only 3 players though. So we need one more. Hmm. Where is this guy looking at, dude? I'm upstairs, dummy. Where is the blessing? Ah, the blessing is upstairs. Okay. What favor is it, though? Oh, nice one. Hey Warren, wanna play with us? We need one more for a fun Windtrace event. This is just a test run. I wasn't aware that we can do this with 3 players. Nope. I'm up the stairs, bro. Okay, I'm down the stairs. Ah, that sucks. But yeah, the scoring system is as follows. Papi Eman found us, Hunter win. Revel found by Hunter. It's 2 wins. So Luge. Haven't played Windtrace for like a week. Aw, sucks. So yeah, that's rotations though. Basically, the scores rotate around being a better hunter. Come on, we need one more. We need one more. Wait lang. That was a good. Wala kasi Wi-Fi. Aw, it sucks. What is with everyone's Wi-Fi tonight? Ano yan? Oh, is that the bull? Oh, he can pummel us with the bull. We need one more, damn it. Alright, let's invite someone from... I'm not sure. I'm gonna open up my world. One sec. Allow direct join. Alright, anyone can join me right now. 8040-8040-80522. That's 8040-8522. We need one more, damn it! So we can score this shit properly. Like adults. We need one more, Papi. Eman, ang daya mo, dalawa lang kami. There's not enough distractions for that. Wait. Why did the wood refresh, dude? We need one. Who can we invite for ano? Wait lang. I'm gonna announce on Discord then. We need one more. We need one more player, otherwise it's gonna be boring, dude. Like that. Oh, and then si Reaper. Wait. One game muna kayo, wait. Wait, I'm gonna use at everyone in Discord. Damn it. This is such a pain. That sucks. This is what we get when we don't have enough viewers, bruh. Hopefully someone from the Outer Worlds join us. Windtrace. Yeah, I'm gonna invite every one of my friends that's online. Ooh, what is this? Ah, Goro shit. Cute flag, bro.
Join me. Give Windtrace a go.
Love it! What is this? What is this paw counter right here? I don't know what the fuck this is. Papi, did you know that some characters can float or stand on water other than Kokomi? Yeah.
Join me.
Mona. Ano?
Go.
Mona and Ayaka. Conference time. There we go. We got one. All right.
Join me. Give Windtrace a go.
Yay.
Advance.
Defensive character.
Charge.
Ba't naglalag ako?
Join me. Give Windtrace a go. Terra Smash.
Alright, let's go. I'm lagging for some reason. What the fuck is happening?
Yeah.
Wait, what the hell is happening?
Join me. Give Windtrace a go.
Wait, nag-overheat ba yung computer ko? What the fuck?
Reduced to just standing around. How absurd.
Join me. Give Windtrace a go. Charge!
One sec. There we go. My stream was lagging a bit, sorry. There we go.
Join me.
Wait.
Terra Smash.
Wait, who's yan? Fuck. Sorry. We got filled up last minute by Lollipangit. I'm not even sure. I forgot who Lollipangit is, but let's go! Better Hunter wins. So again, the scoring is if the Hunter loses the round, but they found the two rebels, they gain 1 point each. So if the Hunter wins the round, he's guaranteed 3 points. 4 points, I mean, sorry. Oh yeah, I'm the Hunter kagad. Gagi. Here we go. Ready! Loli pangit. Here we go. Look at me. I am the hunter now. Bum bum bum. That pala I used the look. Okay, that sucks. Who's yan? Who tried to join my world? That sucks. That would have been fun though. I think that's a random person. Ba't ang bilis ni Xiao? Ah, because we have Anemo. Alright. Oh no, turbo! Alright. Why is it... Why is my map dark, dude? Hello! What have we here, bro? Who is this? Ah, no! You suck, bro! I smell a bad person here. Ah, no, you suck, bro. Last one. I think he's up the stairs. I'm gonna check.
Awful.
Yeah, I'm not gonna use this yet. Ah. Wait, crystal play. I hear something. Oh, he's sneaky, aren't we? Ah, oh no! I'm sorry, I had to use it! GG. Alright, that is 4 points for me, so 4. Alright, next round! Wait, am I still live? Check lang ah, sorry. Whee! Wait. Next round! Ah, shit. Round 2. Alright. So if I'm a rebel and I win this round, but they still get caught, you know. Hey, wait, I need to change. I need... Sige, si Xiao na lang. Papi Robert is the hunter tonight. So this is game 2. Round 1, game 2. I wonder where. You know, may hiding place na dito eh. Kaya medyo madaya eh.
What's up, Doc?
Hey, Papi Ahmed, thank you very much for tuning in. What is up? We're playing Windtrace right now. So it's like... Fuck. It's like fuck. Wait, one sec. It's like advanced hide and seek. Papi Robert! Hey, Papi Ahmed, thank you very much for tuning in. So, the scoring system is as follows, though. If a rebel is found by the hunter, it's 1 point. So, if you find all three of us, it's automatic 4 points for you. If the rebel wins, if one of us survives, all rebels on this team get 1 point. That's actually it. Oh no, that was quick. Saan yun?
Enjoy the blessing of Lesser Lord Kusanagi. A nice blessing now 10% off.
Wait, someone's splashing. Bum bum. Where is Papi Robert, huh? Yeah, the technique here is to go low, under the bridge.
Enjoy the blessing of Lesser Lord Kusanagi. A nice blessing
So, Papi Robert already found one of our hunters, of our rebels. So he gets 1 point Matic for this round. We're playing Napala, by the way. Uy, Papi, look, we were looking for one more earlier. We are joined by Papi Eman, Papi Robert, and Lolly Pangit here. I forgot to Lolly Pangit is on the stream, though. God damn it. Wait lang, I need to go back. Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Enjoy the blessing of
14.
Lord Kusanagi.
Horse and jewelry from you.
Oh my gosh, dude, that was so close.
Jewelry from Levi. You can't find a better deal anywhere else.
Ah, shit! Papi Robert gets 1 point. 4 points, actually. That sucks! Daya, insight pala yun. Shit. I should have ran. I should have ran so far away. Okay, next round. Sino kaya hunter? So no rebel wins so far. Magagaling tayo, ah. We're all good hunters, yeah. Round 3. Round 3. Wala pang nananalong rebels, dude. Everyone's a good hunter for some reason. Ito na naman. Oh no, Papi Eman is the hunter. Oh no. Where is he? Oh no! I'm gonna scooch over here. Yeah, I bet he's gonna find all of us. This is so obvious, dude. Lahat nasa taas. Everyone's at the top, bro. God damn it! It's up to you, my dear boys. Defend the rebel honor. Let none get caught. Okay, I'm gonna get this with flour because hey, it's my world pala, sorry. Nahuli ka agad ako. He hasn't even looked above though. Ang hirap pala na tong ano eh. No? Itong exclamation point na to. Haha! Oh no, I think we're gonna win. Wait, how did he climb up? Where is he? I need a bird's eye view. Oh no, you guy, run! Shit! Did he get the favor? Ah, that sucks. Oh no! 40 seconds, bro! I think it's a GG. Ah, it sucks. He's taunting him. Ah, ano ba yan? No one's the better hunter of the four of us. Last one. Last game for this round. What the? You can't win. Everyone's good. I think we should have I think we should have done a time trial challenge. Whoever was the first to catch all of them. I take my time kasi. I'm enjoying the shit eh. Papi, it was the same map. Yeah, it's true. And he had done Dolly Pangit hid on the same location as well. Let's go, last one. Dolly Pangit is oh wow, new map. Yeah, we're gonna use transparency this round. It was the same. Yeah. What disguises deadwood and scarecrows? Okay. Alright. If no one wins, then everyone wins. That's how it goes. But 4 rounds actually took a lot of time, huh? Like 30 minutes per round. I mean, 4 games. Here are the edges of the map here. God damn it. I'm gonna be so discreet. If we could try to do some of the other maps. Papi Robert, it's random, I think. I'm not sure. I think it's random though. Wait, I can't see. Come on. At least chase one. Maski ako na unahin mo, bro. I'm gonna be one with the tree. I am the tree. I am one with the tree. Wow, no one's caught yet, bro. That's cool. Okay. I think Lollipang's using mobile though, that's why he can't see us that good. Pum pum. Pum pum. Okay, where is the thingy? Where's the favor, bro? Wait, where's the favor, bro? Wala favor dito. Ayun, there we go. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Ah, shit, I got caught. Fuck, that sucks. Inside, where are the other packets? There's one. Where's the other one? Ooh. Oh no! It's up to you, Happy Robert, run! Kita ka dun, gagi. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, Happy Robert. Alright, so Lollipang only got 2. I'm literally just jumping here. Okay. So, there's no ultimate hunter, but there is an ultimate hider. The rebel win goes to Papi Robert because he's the only one who hasn't got caught. So the Windtrace winner for this round is, yeah, Papi Robert, good job. And I was in a bush. Alright, so I think that's it. I hope you guys had fun. I did. Tawa ako eh. You can do it again tomorrow if you guys want. Depende na lang. Depende sa mood nyo. Yeah, Papi Robert was the winner. Loser tayo pa kayo, Papi. We were great hunters, but very bad. Very, very bad at being hiders. Rebels, I mean. But yeah, I think that is it. We shall adjourn for the night. And yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. I appreciate it. Oops, I left before you kicked us. Alam mo na mangyayari. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I did so much. Papi Eman, Papi Robert, and Lollipang, thank you very much for joining me in Windtrace. Again, thank you very much for tuning in. You guys have a great night. Stay safe.
Rise.
And catch you all tomorrow.
Orders given.
See ya!
Orders received.